Hello, today we're diving into TEC certification, a crucial compliance step for telecom and ICT products entering the Indian market. If you're a manufacturer, importer, or seller, stay tuned to learn everything you need to know. Let's start with the basics. TEC stands for Telecommunication Engineering Center. It's a division under the Department of Telecommunications in India, and TEC certification ensures telecom and ICT products meet Indian standards for safety, security, and network performance. Why is TEC certification so important? First, it's a legal requirement for telecom equipment in India, so without it, products can't enter the Indian market. Second, TE certification boosts consumer trust in your products by showcasing quality, safety, and reliability. So what products need this certification? If you're working with any equipment that transmits, receives, or processes data over a network, chances are TEC certification applies to you. This includes routers, switches, mobile devices, and IoT equipment. Let's look at the steps in the TEC certification process. At Rego Services Pvt Ltd, we provide end-to-end guidance through these key steps: documentation and application, testing and compliance verification, and finally, certification approval. At Rego Services Pvt Ltd, we make this process smooth and hassle-free. Our team handles the entire certification process, saving you time and ensuring every detail meets TEC's rigorous standards. We also offer expert support for ongoing compliance. Choosing Rego Services means partnering with experts who ensure your products meet all TEC requirements. We provide comprehensive support from initial documentation to final certification, making your entry into the Indian market seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching our video on TEC certification. We hope you found it informative and helpful. For more insights and guidance on telecom and ICT compliance, subscribe to our channel and reach out to Rego Services Pvt Ltd for expert assistance.